roll the beat.
No need not. Check this out. You already know the gates of hell won't prevail. While we gather here in ATL, let me take a minute just to give God glory and tell a little bit about my little story. I was in the ocean full of sin, but Jesus' love kept reeling me. And now his name's on me, you can call it calligraphy. His mantle's on my life, and that's there to deter the enemy. I count on Jesus more than beats per minute on the rhythm's beat. It's funny how me and destiny do resemble. My job is to make sure missed opportunities don't continue. So-called friends said they will be here, but I don't see you. So your absence has seasoned my motivation like it's on the menu. Relationship is what a holy king died for. Nowadays it's something conniving people will lie for. I call those cardio relationships, they sweating me. I don't think they ready or even really prepared to see. My dreams come to fruition with some exposure as I sow seeds of love like I'm good at spiritual agriculture. Sacrifice temporary pleasures for future greatness. The peers don't understand, so they ridicule and forsake us. We try to fit in like putting circles in square slots. It took a while for us to realize that we are not like these other distracted minds that's losing time, preparing to fail because they not staying focused on their grind. This moment is something that I seize. Trusting God to put us wherever we need to be. So I make sure our life is the definition of loyalty. While our passion for Christ burns, I'm talking the third degree. Let me tell you, forever seems like a long time when you simply refuse to have forever on your mind. We drafted straight to heaven's winner circle district. If you can't comprehend it, allow me to be more specific when I say Jesus is real, the gospel is real. Man, you know how we do it. You know we keep it real. Man, you know we build on freedom like an American condo. Let's get this gospel out quick, fast, big, or pronto.